Question number 1. Which Indian river is known for the Hirakud Dam? The correct answer is option D, Mahanadi River. Question number 2. Which Indian state is famous for the Meenakshi temple? The correct answer is option D, Tamil Nadu. Question number 3. Which natural disaster is measured on the Richter scale? The correct answer is option A, earthquake. Question number 4. Which state is the largest producer of white in India? The correct answer is option D, Uttar Pradesh. Question number 5. Which country lies between Afghanistan and India? The correct answer is option A, Pakistan. Question number 6. Which continent has the most number of countries? The correct answer is option C, Africa. Question number 7. Which Indian state is known as the Fruit Bowl of India? The correct answer is option A, Himachal Pradesh. Question number 8. Which Indian mountain pass connects Leh to Manali? The correct answer is option A, Rohtang Pass. Question number 9. Which place is known as the Scotland of India? The correct answer is option B, Kurk. Question number 10. Which Indian river is called the Dakshina Ganga? The correct answer is option D, Godavari River. Question number 11. Which gas is used in balloons to make them float? The correct answer is option C, helium. Question number 12. Which Indian state is the largest producer of spices? The correct answer is option C, Kerala. Question number 13. Which country is known as the land of white elephants? The correct answer is option C, Thailand. Question number 14. Which Indian state is known for the Jallikattu event? The correct answer is option D, Tamil Nadu. Question number 15. What is the central symbol of Christianity? The correct answer is option B, the cross. Question number 16. Which online platform is known for e-commerce globally? The correct answer is option C, Amazon. Question number 17. Which part of the atom has a positive charge? The correct answer is option C, proton. Question number 18. Which island country is located southeast of India? The correct answer is option A, Sri Lanka. Question number 19. Which country is famous for tulips and windmills? The correct answer is option D, Netherlands. Question number 20. Who is the first Indian woman to win an Olympic medal? The correct answer is option A, Karnam Malleshwari. Question number 21. Which country is famous for the bullfight tradition? The correct answer is option C, Spain. Question number 22. Who won the first T20 World Cup in cricket? The correct answer is option B, India. Question number 23. Who holds the record for the most Olympic gold medals? The correct answer is option A, Michael Phelps. Question number 24. What technology is used in fingerprint recognition? The correct answer is option C, biometric technology. Question number 25. What system controls body functions with hormones? The correct answer is option C, endocrine system. Question number 26. Which telescope was launched into space in 1990? The correct answer is option B, Hubble Space Telescope. Question number 27. Which Indian satellite mission explored the moon? The correct answer is option A, Chandrayaan. Question number 28. What protects Earth from harmful solar radiation? The correct answer is option A, ozone layer. Question number 29. Which festival is associated with boat races in Kerala? The correct answer is option B, Onam festival. Question number 30. Who was known as the Iron Lady of British politics? The correct answer is option A, Margaret Thatcher.